Hello friend, today I want to show you what or how is it drawing is important to become a designer. So the drawing is start to want to draw. Just start. Don't worry about if you don't know how to draw or something like that. Drawing is just this is just a hobby. If you want it, you can do it. Okay. So today I want to talk about topic is how to use drawing to become a designer. So we know drawing is it's start of what? Start of design. You know, because if you want to become a designer of Photoshop, or design of the shirts, or anything you want it, you should be to start to drawing. If you know how to draw, if you learning how to draw in your home, or I don't know, you can just take some minutes in your day. You have a lot of free time, so take time like 15 minutes or I don't know 13. Get it and draw anything, because if you trust in yourself to draw anything, you can to become a designer. And if you become a designer, you can make money. Okay, so that is so I don't know what I can explain about this, but I'm working in the Merch by Amazon and Redbubble, the platform of demand. So it's I start with drawing. If you start to drawing, after that I learn how to draw in Photoshop or anything. But the first thing I do it, I learn how to draw. I have a lot of videos in my channel how to draw, and how to draw girls, how to draw anime, how to draw face, how to draw hand. I have a lot of videos in my. You can check my channel and see a lot of videos. I don't do speed of my videos. How I recorded my videos, I do it like that. So we know the drawing is the begin or start to become a designer on, I don't know, designer in Photoshop or shirts or anything. So we start to drawing something like I like to drawing in shirts. So I will to research about some niche in shirts now. Maybe today is it's a happy Valentine, so we need to do a design. So you are with me now. I will to start to draw something in my mind. So we have love like a heart, and love like a word, and what else? Panda, like a panda. You have a panda. And what else? Cat, maybe cat. Maybe you have cat. I'm drawing like that just for show you how to get an idea about your shirts or anything you want it. Because the simple things like high things in quality or to do your drawing, it's not the pen. I have that pen. Okay, I have that pen. So let's go to do some shirts. So we have love. We do love. And don't worry about you are I'm not trust to myself, I don't draw in good or something like that. So get your relax, bro, relax and draw in it. So I have idea now about what I want to draw in about Happy Valentine. It's very simple. Look, I'm just drawing. I get a beautiful art. So we have cat and we have panda and we have word. It's love. So we get in this moment we get a cat, and in this moment we get a panda. And in this moment I will do like that. Something to like a relationship with a cat and a panda. So we get the idea about what we do. Okay, so we use the name of the cat and of the panda. So we use the love and the panda and the cat. So we need to use this word love. Okay, love. So I have an idea about love. We can use this drawing like O, like the word O. Okay, O, it's the heart with cat and panda. So we need L. Okay, see about this? I use like I lose the word L. I lose the word L. So this is L, and we do L and O. It's that, and the V. So we need like that here. Okay. Okay, this is V. I do this just for heart. Okay, it's not N, it's V. And the last one, it's E. Okay, this is not good. I will change it. Maybe like that. It's beautiful. See? Okay. So that's what I want to tell you. Okay. So it's not important to know it's fault or not. Okay, I'm a drawing. I have I think 10,000 shirts in Amazon, in Redbubble, in Etsy, all for that. But sometimes I'm lose. Okay, it's not lose, but I get a fault in my drawing. So that's why I told you. Okay, so don't do in your mind that no, I'm a loser. No, I can't draw. You can draw and you can do a lot of things. So believe to yourself and do what you want to do. So now I want to get that and draw it. Okay. We need now to that. Okay, this is the result. I'm just I'm just a drawing. I'm just do anything now. Don't get any idiot. Just like I use cat and panda and word love and and heart. Okay, so that this is the result, and I come to do a lot of things in my laptop, like do some, okay, I don't know, maybe something very beautiful, and okay, this is the result of my drawing. So in this video I don't want to forget yourself. I can't, or tell yourself I can't do it. Okay, so tell in your mind or do anything. You can do anything. Okay, you can draw in and you can make money, a lot of money of this. Sorry, a lot of money of this. Okay, because this is the big niche in this day, especially in this day, because today is 14. It's day of Valentine, and everybody here to watch me. If you have your girlfriend, so tell she have a Valentine, happy Valentine, and give him a shirt, like a gift or something like that. A red shirt with like that, with love and cat and panda, because the girl, a lot of girl like cat and panda. It's very cute. So this is the video, and if you want anything, you can tell me in the comment, and or you can, maybe you can tell me in comment what do you want to learn. I think every week I will do 3 videos or like that. So don't forget subscribe and like to video, and okay, thank you for watching this video in this time, and I hope to have a nice day. Bye bye.